Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this session we'll see basics of SAP Materials Management. So in this session we'll cover what is SAP, what is Materials Management, followed by logon procedure, menu bar, standard toolbar, SAP Easy Access menu and SAP Implementation guide. Let's start with what is SAP. SAP stands for System Application and Products in Data Processing. If you are running a business, you will map your business organizational unit in SAP and it will help you to manage resources, information and activities in a designed way. Then next is what is materials management. If you are running an organization, you will be needing materials on daily basis. So SAP materials management process ensures that there is never a shortage of material in your organization, and it will deal with procurement process. Procurement process is nothing but buying materials from vendor and managing its master data, inventory management and doing invoice verification. Then next is the logon procedure. I'll show you in hands-on. To log on to SAP, you must have a valid user ID and password. Then you have menu bar. This is the top line of dialog window in SAP. Then next is the standard toolbar icon. It contains back key, exit key and log off key. Then you have command field to execute direct transactional code. Then next is SAP Easy Access menu. It will help you to navigate to standard transaction codes. And finally you have SAP Implementation guide. All the configurations and assignment within organization are set up in Implementation guide. So let's do all these topics practically. To log on to SAP, you must have a valid username and password. This is the home page of SAP. This is the menu bar from where you can perform various functions, mainly executing a transaction. Below this menu bar, you have this standard toolbar. Standard toolbar contains three important keys. First one is the backward key to go back in any SAP transaction. This one is the cancel key to cancel any of your transaction. And middle one is the exit key to log out your SAP session. If you want to create a new SAP session, just click on this icon on standard toolbar. You can also customize your SAP screen layout. Just click on this icon on standard toolbar. Now select options and do the settings accordingly. Standard toolbar also contains this command field. All direct transactional codes can be run via command field. Beside this command field, you have SAP Easy Access menu. To navigate to any standard transactional codes, you can make use of SAP Easy Access menu. Besides this SAP Easy Access menu, you have SAP Implementation guide. To navigate to Implementation guide page, enter SPRO in command field. SPRO stands for SAP Project Reference Object. Now select SAP Reference IMG. This will navigate you to the Display IMG page. All structure definitions, assignments and configurations can be accessed through this Display IMG screen. So in this session, we have seen the home page of SAP and we learned basic functionalities of icons on the SAP screen. In next session, we'll learn how to create organization or enterprise structure.